I just need to, if I could just do something with this shit.
Another beat, got choice.
Round one, I walk up and shake your hand. Girl, I gotta know what's up. Baby, what's your name? Can I get your number? Cause I wanna talk about some things, yeah. Round two, it ain't a thing. I was moving everywhere you move.
Girl, you stupid. Oh.
Yo, this right here, not gonna work. I'm gonna do something. This is what? Damn, actually, this is day 2. Damn. Day 1 was a hard knock of life for me. I was just really not trying to do this shit. I mean, but the definition, yup. The definition in this, yes, ma'am. Y'all. So if you stay tuned a little bit and you see how I go from this to fly as fuck, so just damn, got the color purple twist in the front. Y'all just give me some time, okay? Like this. No ma'am, turkey and ham. Hey y'all, what's crack-a-lackin'? I'm gonna just show y'all how I do my recovery, save a wash and go hairstyle. So right now I'm just untwisting the twist. Damn, something fell in my eye. Okay, I'm goody. I'm just gonna show y'all a little link check real quick. Hey, hang time. Okay, so you need some water, you need some clips, you gonna need some oil. I got this shit for like 65 cents at Roses. You need a hard toothbrush or a soft toothbrush. I like the soft one. You need a fractal comb, and you need a smoothing brush, and you need the Eco Styling Gel. $10.99. No ma'am, this shit was expensive, but I've had it for so long. And you need the headband. I used the squincy, but that mess wasn't working, so I bitch had to use a shoelace. So right now I'm just spritzing my hair with water. Now I'm trying not to put too much water in it because I didn't realize until the end of it that I sprayed a little bit too much. Just because I like for my hair to be stiff when I'm having it in a puff, because I don't like it flopping all over the place. But I mean, it is what it is at the end of the day. So right now I'm just parting my hair off for the parts that I'm going to use to put the Bantu knots in. And usually I part it at the peak of my ear, so they won't be too far back, and I will have enough hair to put the knots in. So I'm just parting the other side off, and then I'm going to just clip, well, I clipped it at first, but then I needed the clips, so I had to use that little splitsy thing. So, and y'all squincy be doing me wrong as hell all the time. So I'm just gonna try to find another one at this point. But then I come to realize that all these shits is broke. So, but it's okay though, because I'm gonna use it anyway. I'm only using these squincies just to tie my hair back. For now, I'm not gonna keep that mess in my hair because that shit be doing me dirty. So I'm just tying it back in a bun at this point. Okay, so now I'm spraying the front of my hair. I'm trying to, it don't matter how wet it gets, but the more water I put in there, that white stuff from my gel yesterday was collected, but it's okay because it dries up clear. Y'all, this ain't no dimming brush, but I promise you this brush has been loyal to me since I was 8 years old. I got it from Dollar General on my birthday with a little lip gloss and a little mirror that went with it, and I've had it for years. And this oil I got from Roses, and when I tell y'all, this shit smells so good. It smells like grape Kool-Aid. I'm not even playing. And I was sleeping on it. I had it in my drawer for so long and didn't even use it. Got it from Roses like a couple, matter of fact, was it a couple years ago? No, I can't be that old. I don't know. But I'm just putting a little bit in there just because I like the shine it gets. And right here, y'all, I had the hardest time trying to come up with my triangle parts. But basically, I just played it by ear, kinda. Not played it by ear, y'all, I'm tripping. Played it by eye. What's it called? I don't know at this point. I just did something. But I'm just putting the parts in there. It's self-explanatory at this point. Just keep watching and you'll see how I do the Bantu knots. Okay, so I'm detangling this part just because I don't really know if it gives your hair single strand knots if you don't do that. But up here, I'm starting off with a twist just so I can keep the tension. Because it's real slippery. I needed some type of grip. And then I'm just going to twist it. And now I done messed up because I was twisting it too strong. Not too strong, what was I saying? I was twisting it too much without anchoring down my other finger. Like I should have kept my finger there and I didn't, so then it turned out like that. So I had to rewind and then put my finger there from the beginning so I can kind of hold the swirl in place. So there you go. There you got your little Bantu knot, and that white stuff is gonna dry up clear. So at this point, I'm just putting my baby hairs down. You could leave it like this and just pick it out and, you know, do all that stuff. Yeah, you could leave it like that. I mean, I would, but it's cold outside and as a matter of fact, it's snowing, and I don't like I don't like my hair on my neck like that. When it's that cold out, because I feel like it just be snapping off. So right here, I got my shoelace. And it's a little tricky only because you just don't want to put it in front of the Bantu knots, but it's easy for the most part. Okay, I'm tightening it, and then I'm gonna hold the bottom my other hand, and I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. As you fluff, you tighten, and then I'm gonna put my head upside down so I just don't get it stuck under the thing, and then I'm gonna push up from the, I'm gonna push up in the back, and I'm gonna tighten, and then I'm gonna put the strings under my neck again, hold it and push it, fluff. I should have fluffed some more on the left side, but see, and it got stuck under my thing, so you gotta make sure you keep flipping your head upside down so it doesn't do that. And then I'm just gonna tie it in the back and tuck the ends under. Fly as hell. See, a lot of definition. That's day 2 definition too. And usually my day 2 is my favorite when I like just let it be fluffy and stuff. But that day 2 looks good. Okay, now all you gotta do is smooth your edges down like so, and there you go. That shit is fly. All that white stuff in the Bantu knots will dry up, but yeah, there you have it. The little Bantu knots and everything. Damn, don't talk about my eyebrows, baby hairs and everything. But alright y'all, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more hair tutorials. Peace up, A-Town sound.